Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of error to avoid interruption to your subscription and purchases, verify your payment information or add a new payment method. So guys, from here you have to check if your debit or credit card expiry date is not over. And if you want success here guys, just simply you have to remove your payment method. From here, after removing payment method, just simply close this page and then you have to open settings. Now tap on your Apple ID banner, then scroll it down and just simply tap on media and purchases. Now tap on view account. Now you have to wait some seconds from here. Now after that guys, just simply tap on country origin. Now just simply tap on change country origin. Now select the country in which your debit or credit card is made. If you have given your debit or credit card as a payment method, just simply select the country and wait some seconds again. Now here are the terms and conditions, so you have to read it carefully and just simply tap on agree, again tap on agree. Now after that guys, you have to select your payment method and here you have to put your number or expiry date of your debit or credit card if you are selecting debit or credit card or CVV code. Now I'm selecting at none. As you can see guys, it's disappear because I have selected none. And here you have to put your billing name and here you have to put your billing address, so you can put fake one as well. So you have to put the postcode of your city. If you don't know about the postcode, just simply search on Safari browser or another browser. Just simply write here your city name and then you have to put the phone number, so you can put fake one as well and just simply tap on next. And after that guys, your payment method will be updated and your billing information also will be updated and your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.